Hello friends, today in chapter 2 exercise 2.5 which is depend on reducing the simple form, means the complicated equation is given, we have to convert it to simple equation and do the sum. So let's see the first sum. The first sum is given x by 2 minus 1 by 5 equals to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. So here fraction format is given. So to fraction format is there. From the fraction we want to bring into the integers. And as we know, we have to multiply each term by its LCM. So 2, 5, 3 and 4. LCM will be 15 for the 60. And so 60 LCM multiply. So LCM equals to 60 over 3 4 numbers. And so multiply by 60 each term, then 60 into x by 2, 60 into 1 by 5, 60 into x by 3, 60 into 1 by 4, 4 15s are 3 20s are 5 12s are and 2 30s are. So 30x minus 12, 20x plus 50. So now the equation converted into integral form very easily. So 20x we shift to the other side, then it will be 30x minus 20x equals to 12 plus 15. So 10x is equals to 27. So x is equal to 27 by 10. This is 2.7, or we can write that 2 over 7 by 10. Now let's see the second sum, n by 2, 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 equals to 21. So LCM again 2, 4, 6, LCM we take out, it is 12. And so LCM is equals to 12. So each term multiply by 12, then 12 into n by 2 minus 12 into 3n by 4 plus 12 into 5n by 6 equals to 12 into 21. So here 2 6s are, 4 3s are, 6 2s are. So 6n minus 3 3s are 9n plus 2 5s are 10n equals to 21 into 12. So 2 1 0, 2 4, 2 4 1 5, 252. And so it is 10 plus 6 16, 16 minus 9 7n equals to 252. So n is equals to 252 divided 7. 7 is at 21, 1 4 2 6 are, and so n value is equals to 36. Now the third question we have x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 equals to 17 by 6, 5x by 2. So 3, 6 and 2, LCM is the 6. And so we multiply each term by 6, then 6x plus 6 7 the 42 minus 6 multiply 8x by 3, 6 multiply 17 by 6 and 6 multiply 5x by 2. So 2 3s are 6 6 cancel, 3 2s are. So 6x plus 42 minus 16x is equals to 17 minus 15x. So here 6 minus 16, 42 minus 10x is equals to 17 minus 15x. And so 15x is equals to 15x minus 10x equals to 17 minus 42. So 5x is equals to minus 25. So x is equals to minus 25 divided 5, that is minus 5. Now we have the fourth question, x minus 5 by 3 equals to x minus 3 by 5. So 3 and 5. We take the LCM or we take the cross multiply also, because 5 into x minus 5 equals to 3 into x minus 3. So now 5 will multiply with both the terms of the bracket. So 5x minus 25 is equals to 3x minus 9. So now 3x will bring from right hand side to left hand side and 25 from left hand side to right hand side. Then it is 5x minus 3x equals to 25 minus 9. And so it is 2x is equals to minus 16. Sorry, plus 16. And so x is equals to 16 by 2. 8. Now we have denominators again 4, 3, 3. So 4 and 3 LCM is the 12. So each term multiplied by 12. Then 12 into 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 12 into 2t plus 3 by 3. 12 into 2 by 3 minus 12 into t 12t. So here 3 4s are 3 4s are and 4 3s are. So 3 into 3t minus 2 minus 4 into 2t plus 3. 4 into 2 8 minus 12t. Now we open the bracket, then 3 3s are 90 minus 6 minus 80 minus 12 equals to 8 minus 12t. So 9 minus 8, that is t, minus 12 minus 6 minus 18 is equals to 8 minus 12t. So 12t will come this side and t plus 12t equals to 8 plus 18. That is 13t equals to 26, and so t equals to 26 divided by 30, that is 2. Now sixth question, we have LCM of 2 and 3. It is given m minus 1 by 2, 1 minus m minus 2 by 3, so 2 and 3. Its LCM is the 6. So LCM 6, so each term multiplied by 6, then 6m minus 6 multiplied m minus 1 by 2. 6 ones are 6 and 6 multiplied m minus 2 by 3. So 3 2s are 2 3s are. So 6m minus 3m plus 3 equals to 6 minus 2m plus 4. So 6m minus 3m, 3m plus 3 equals to 6 plus 4, 10 minus 2m. And so 2m will. So 3m plus 2m equals to 10 minus 3. So 5m equals to 7, and so m equals to 7 by 5. Now 7th question, we have 3 multiplied t minus 3 equals to 5 multiplied 2t plus 1. So we open the bracket, then it is 3t minus 9 equals to 10t plus 5. So 3t minus 10t is equals to 5 plus 9, and so minus 7t equals to 14, and so t is equals to 14 divided minus 7 is minus 2. Now 8th question, we have 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 equals to 0. So 15 into y, 15y minus 16 minus 2y plus 18 plus 5y plus 30 equals to 0. So all the items we add, then 15 plus 5, 20, 20 minus 2, 81. Now 60 minus 18 minus 42 minus 42 plus 30. So 42 minus 30, that is minus 12 equals to 0. So y equals to 12 by 80, that is 6 2s are and 6 3s are, so 2 by 3. We have the 9th question, 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11. 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 17. So we have to find out the z value. So 3 5s are 15z minus 3 7s are 21 minus 2 9s are 18z minus 2 11s are 22 equals to 4 8s are 32z minus 4 13s are 52 minus 70. And so 15z minus 18z minus 3z minus 21 plus 22 plus 1 32z. And here minus 52 minus 70 minus 69. So here 69 will come this side and 3z will go that side. So 32z plus 3z equals to 69 plus 1. So 35z is equals to 70. So z is equals to 70 divided 35, that is 2. So z is equals to 2. Now we are given question at 0.25 4f minus 3 minus 0.05 10f minus 9. So we remove the decimal, that it is 25 by 100. 4f minus 3 equals to 5 by 100. 10f minus 9. So 100 cancel from both the side. Now 5 will come this side. So 5 25 are 5 5 are. So 5 into 4f minus 3 equals to 10f minus 9. And so 20f minus 15 equals to 10f minus 9. So 10f will come this side, it is 20f minus 10f equals to 15 minus 9. So 10f equals to 6. So f equals to 6 by 10, 0.6.